Hi, today we're gonna unbox the iPhone 12 mini. So this plastic wrapper is really nice. It just peels off. You don't need to use a scissors or any box cutter or anything like that. So here we go with the unboxing. There we have it, the iPhone 12 mini in black. There's a little tab that makes it easier to pull the phone out. There's the phone itself. Let's have a look what's inside the box. There's that information leaflet thing. Inside we have the SIM card pin. We have the Apple sticker. Can't wait to put that on my wheelie bin. Some instructions there. This cable is the lightning adapter to USB-C. Some cardboard just to wrap it around. So you can see there. This is, I thought this was supposed to be braided, but it's the cheaper one, so I can imagine that breaking in no time. So USB-C lightning. There we go. Let's take this. It's kind of paper, sticky paper cover. And there we have the iPhone mini 12. It's an OLED screen. It's got a glass back. It has the main camera, ultra wide lens camera. The sides are aluminium. Actually, you Yanks would call it aluminum. This is the plain black. So it's a very nice looking phone. The glass back is kind of sticky. There we have the lightning port and the speaker. The volume buttons are on the left. Power buttons on the right. It's much bigger than previous models. There we have it, the iPhone 12 mini. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.